2. The first thing we're going to do is isolate the x squared and the x. No, good we are, but don't divide, factor it out. So we're going to factor out a 3, x squared plus 8x plus something, because we need to complete that square, plus 45 minus something. Remember, whatever you add to one side, you have to subtract from that side. If it's on different sides, then you'll add to both sides. Now, take b and give me half of 8. So x plus 4 squared, and I'm going to bring down the 3. What is 4 squared? 16. Now, before we can get it out of this parentheses, we have to distribute it out. So what is 16 times 3? 48. And just combine those like terms. So here is my parabola. No calculators on this one. We don't need a calculator. Which way is this parabola opening? Use your transformations. It's Aaron? Up. It's opening up. Does it have any dilation? It's vertical stretch, so it's going to be a little narrower than our normal one. Where's your vertex at? 4 to the left, -4. It moved which way? It moved 4 negative, and it went down 3. So -4, 3. There's your vertex, right? So we know a lot about this already. We know our vertex is -4, -3. We know it's opening up, so -4, -3. We need to know how wide. We know there's a dilation, so we know it's going to be a little bit narrower. Yes? Because in your transformations, anything inside goes the opposite way. So watch, Shelly. If I was here at the 0, 0, tell me through your transformations where to go. You're going to tell me go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, go down 3, 1, 2, 3. There's your vertex. See it? It always goes inside the parentheses the opposite way. So now, let's do our intercepts. Let's go for our y-intercept. Remember how to do that one? Clever. So where's your y-intercept at? When x is 0, what is y? 45, somewhere way, way, way up here, right? Because we said this thing is going to be very, 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 very narrow. Okay? So 0, 45 is your y-intercept. Let's do our x-intercepts. That's when y is 0. Use this one. Otherwise, you're going to see if you can factor that. You're going to spend a lot of time looking at it. Use this one. Plug the 0 in. So let's add 3 to both sides. Try to isolate your square. So let's divide by 3. How do I undo a square? Square root. When you undo a square root, plus or minus, so you got plus, and what is the square root of 1? 1. Good. X plus 4. Now what's the next thing we have to do? Subtract 4. So, -4 plus or minus 1 equals x. This is a rational 1, so we have to resolve this. We have x is equal to -4 plus 1, and x is equal to -4 minus 1. So this will give you -3. Here's one root. And this will give you -5. There's the other root. And it's narrow. We expected it to be a little narrower because of your vertical stretch. Now the only other thing, did we ask for increasing, decreasing? Let's give increasing, decreasing. Work off of this. Put this right here. And give me the interval that it's increasing. Like your roller coaster. Where's it going up? From where to where? From -4 to infinity. Where's it decreasing? Down, 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 down. From where? From negative infinity to where did we stop? Negative 4. We never picked up your calculator. And if you looked at that when you first started, would you have ever thought that you could have graphed that? That you would have known all those things about it? Pretty cool. Yes. The increase and decrease in notes is they share them. They actually share the point that they pivot at, the verb point. So, no. Okay, so for homework, guys, we're going to finish up the rest. Be careful on a fraction. When you divide a fraction, remember to flip it. Questions? No?